welcome to my channel for experience sharing. Today is 2022 September 24th, Saturday. Have a nice weekend. Let's begin. Today I'm going to talk about how we can run a Python script from another Python script. Suppose now I got a hello script and here I have been run it. Sorry, I just find something. With an argument, well, for example, I would have hello world. Now suppose that I want to have another script here. Run script from another script. I want to use one of this. I like this function. Okay. Hello function. I don't want to write it again. Then I can utilize this. It's not a class. It's just another script. And I have this script. I want to record a script. How can I do it? It's simple that I use a import statement from hello import hello. Because here hello point dot py, and that is a function also called hello. So I call it the hello. If I don't have hello, I will say hello, for example. Then I can change here say hello that to make it more explicit. Remember that Python promotes explicit rather implicit. So see whether it works. Get a message with, for example, my name. Not defined. Yes. Forgot to change here. Okay, use my name. Okay, give hello Clement. Run again. Maybe Peter, for example. Hello Peter. Okay, so this is a very simple example. Again, I would say hello. So again, this very simple script, and from hello, from this Python script, import this function, say hello, and then I can utilize this when I no need to run again this function. It may be a very simple example, but it can illustrate how Python is very flexible. You can call up a function in a class, but also can call up a function in a peer Python script of the same level. Okay, thank you. And I've been a long break for this playlist of Python because I concentrate a lot of time in building a new website and also my new app. Okay, please look to my other playlists on iOS and also the Android app that I built entirely using Emacs, Python, and Kiwi. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.